Hi there. Yep, this is me. Hello fellas, welcome back to another episode. Today I will share with you new ESP32 project. I build camera with ESP32-CAM. Also, it has screen, but monochrome, like old game console camera. Further, saved photo SD card. Let's dive in tutorial. Before we continue, like and share this video and make you sure subscribed. Firstly, starting this project with TFT colorful displays. But it's not easy to make this project with AI Thinker ESP32-CAM development board. But it hasn't usable GPIO for display, SD cards, and shutter. I tried to fix a lot of combination. I didn't reach to success. Sometimes screen crash, sometimes SD card didn't start. So I break it. Just when I was about to give up on the project, a new idea came to my mind. Why use OLED screen? Yeah, I know it has monochrome, but doesn't matter. Like an old Gameboy cameras from the past. Grayscale live preview is enough for seeing what I'm taking. Don't worry, this OLED screen bicolor, but working like monochrome. OLED screen has I2C communication. I2C communication use less wire than SPI, only need a 2-wire for working. Relatively slower than SPI, but speed is enough for use in this application. My goal is using like preview and info screen. You have seen, working correctly. If you are first time in this channel, you must check my other projects. I share regular project in every week. You like it. What we need in this project. For a breadboard version, only I use ESP32-CAM SD136 0.96 OLED display, ST7789 TFT display, SD card, one push button, breadboard, and jumper cables. But in the portable version, we need a few more components, like 3D printed case, on-off sliding switch, LiPo battery, TP4056 charger board, and voltage booster for a power-up. I have designed case in Fusion 360. Also, STL and CAD files publish on my Cults 3D page. You can easily reach. Also, you can check my other published 3D models. If you need any CAD design, you can reach on me Fiverr. All you need links are description. All model printed on my old Ender 3. Still I use. But it's not original, as you can see. Before we going to final product, I want to show you live preview real colorful screen. For doing this, replace OLED screen with ST7789 1.69-inch display. Now sure, we can't use SD card, so you can remove. Wiring like this. I don't have ESP32-CAM UART module, so I use another CH340-based UART module. If you have, don't forget voltage change. Wiring like this. Also, you need a script. All source file released on my GitHub page. You can see two different script. One of them, live preview. Other one is DIY camera. Firstly, we are working on live preview. Download all repo. When it downloaded, extract from zip file. And then go to Live Preview folder and open INO file with Arduino IDE. If you don't have Arduino IDE, go to the link, download latest version of IDE and install. When install is complete, open script with IDE. In this time, you must install ESP32 tool on IDE.
If you haven't installed the ESP32 board manager yet, copy the link provided in the description,
Go to the link, copied that line.
go to File, Preferences, and paste it into the additional boards manager URLs field. Go to Boards Manager, search for ESP32, and install it. Please be patient as it downloads.
After tool install is complete, you need to install two external library. One of them, TFT-ESPI, other one is JPEG decoder. For doing this, go to Library section from the left on Arduino. Type in search TFT-ESPI, find, and install. After do it again for JPEG decoder. When library installed, one more thing you have to. That is library customization for ST7789 display. Go to Library Installed location, Documents, Arduino, Libraries, TFT-ESPI, find User Setup, select File, and open. Must be sure that this line uncommented, Others is commented. Save and close. Next, open User Setup header. Magic is here. Let's redefine. All lines setting up like I showed.
If you don't have CS pin set -1, this line.
When it done, again, save and close. Turn back to Arduino IDE, setting tool configuration. Either way, click that area, type in AI Thinker, choose that, and write COM port. After, go to Tools section, make you sure choosing right development tools. Before click to Upload button, we need to set in boot mode for ESP32-CAM development board to uploading. For doing this, firstly, click Reset button. When holding Reset, short circuit ground and I/O 0, or you can use a button for this job. That make it much easier. After, release Reset button when holding Boot button. After, release Boot button. When it correctly, you must be seen flash a little bright up and then light down. Now you can click Upload button on Arduino IDE. When you make everything as correctly, you must be seen live camera stream on the display. Next step is DIY camera. Open up second folder and click to the script. In this script, again, you need to install Adafruit GFX library and Adafruit SSD1306 library. For doing this, again, go to Library section, type in search Adafruit GFX, find, and install. After, Adafruit SSD1306, find, and install. Let's review script. This script start a high-resolution mode for the camera. After, JPEG scaling with PEG decoder library, turning grayscale after pushing image to OLED screen. Also, it has photo counter. After every picture of taking, increase that number and file name. Even after resetting, didn't forget, because numbers saving EEPROM. That means uncleaned memory. Also in here you can setting flash on or off. I have used on for much better picture. Make it wiring like this. After, let's upload code and test it. Again, setting booting mode before I tell. When it done, you must be seen image preview and photo count on the display. When press the shoot button, flash is light up. On the screen, give a feedback like taking photo and saved. I forgot one thing. SD card must be FAT32, otherwise didn't work. Also, you can't change pins defined because other pins using by SD card. When code upload, unplug TX and RX pin and connect UART module. When it done, go back to OLED and button. You think, how many times I replace it? Let's took a few photo and review on PC. Looks like it working pretty good, except wiring. This is ugly. Next step is real product. As you can see in wiring diagram on the screen. Before start, setting up voltage booster to 5 volt. You don't want to broke your development board. Or you can use fixed version like me. Do it wiring. Power up for last check before assembly. When you're sure everything is okay, assemble all parts. DIY ESP32 camera is ready. Go have fun. This image taken from DIY camera. If you like this project, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Write and comment what I made in the next episode. Until next time, see you!